Here's the number one mistake that people make shipping video games. It makes sense that people make this mistake, but now that you know what the mistake is, and you've probably done it before, I'm sure I have, you can't make it again. You now are without excuse because I've told you don't do this. That is, most sellers just send video games by media mail, because it's less costly and it seems to make sense. We ship CD music by media mail. We ship DVDs in these same plastic cases by media mail. That's the least costly mail possible. We ship books and all of those by media mail. Why can't we ship video games? They don't count. The post office will not like it. The post office generally never opens priority mail for inspection without good cause. The post office often will randomly open media mail items to see if they qualify for media mail. And they must find enough to make them keep doing it, because they still do that. And you may get a postal clerk that says, oh, that's a DVD, so it's okay. They just glance at it. But if they know what they're doing, and we are talking about government workers, so you may not get caught. At the same time, catching people is really all they do well, is just catch people doing something wrong. That's their superpower, because it impacts their bottom line. That's all they care about, is the bottom line, not serving. Therefore, warning, do not ship video games by media mail ever again. And it'll cost you a little bit more, but it'll get there much faster. Your buyer's going to be happy, and you won't be losing money because of that.